bright yellow with painted bloom set into the resin. Yellow cabinets, a hanging swing by the window. Even the smallest room deserves the longest thought. Most people skip the laundry. I couldn't. The ruin gave me arched openings with a direct line to the sea, and I kept thinking, why waste that on a room nobody sees? So I designed it like a room you'd want to linger near. The cat on the swing, that one's real, or as real as any of this gets. A utility room that forgot it was supposed to be practical.